Hey, good morning, job killers. This is just a quick little video to show you how to use this free tool that I posted as a comment in somebody's question in the group yesterday. You can go to SERPS.com and go to Tools and then the Google Location Changer, and that'll get you to this page. You can type in your keyword and choose your location. Anywhere in the country. You can even go by zip code if you want to. You can just type in a local zip code. And the question that has come up in the meantime after I posted that was, how do you see search results beyond page 1 organically? And also, how do you see search results beyond the 3-pack for the local map results? And you should be able to see 20 results, but the problem is if you click on see more, it's going to flip your IP address back to yours rather than the one in San Diego. So how do you make that happen? And I'm going to show you a little hack that allows you to do that. You go over to Google and you're going to go into your search settings and then just increase the results per page. So this right here is going to show us 5 pages per results. Now the problem is that if you conduct a ton of searches with this higher results per page, it appears to Google as spammy behavior. So they can block out your IP for 24 hours. If you just really use and abuse this, and you get hot and heavy and doing a lot of searches, they'll consider that to be spammy. So make sure you go back and click it back to 10 when you're really not using it. So do that. It's gonna ask you to show them you're not a robot. Submit that. Okay. So we're done with that. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna click search. Okay. So now what you can do is, as I scroll down, you can see we've definitely got more than 1 page of results organically. We've got 5 pages. We're going 5 pages deep. Okay. Which also means if I go down here and I click number 2, it's gonna flip it back to my IP address. All right. And I'm not going to do that simply because I don't want to waste time, but you guys get the point. Now, if I click here and click more places, it's also going to flip my IP address. But watch this. Click on the very first result. Now we'll click off of that. Now we've got the same 3, but we've got 20 deep, okay, and it's still showing my IP addresses in San Diego. So that's how you do this. And I believe if you click through this portal, it'll still show. Yeah. So you can view all of the map pack by going through that way rather than clicking the see more results or find more, whatever it says. And then just using these little numbers at the bottom, you can see all of the map pack results for your area that you're searching. All right. Hope that's helpful to you.